So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks right here, and there are outline numberings assigned to them. So if you want to go around and enable and disable them, you can go around onto Gantt chart format, and then you can enable and disable the outline numbering from over here. But what you can also do is enable WBS numbering. So to do that, I can go around over here and add in, let's say, a new column right here. I can just right click and click on insert column, and you can see that on the column I can choose around what I want to keep right here. In my case, I'm going to go around and type in WBS right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, WBS, and then over here it shows the WBS numbering right here. WBS stands for work breakdown structure, and you can see the same numbering over here in a separate column, and this becomes really useful whenever you're trying to arrange out the data. Now you can just go around and turn off the outline number, and you can see the WBS numbering right around over here. And if I were to go around and then minimize or maximize, or if I were to go around and add in another tasks over here, then what happens is that the WBS numbering, you can see, is automatically assigned to them. And that is how you can enable out the WBS numberings inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.